All right, folks, this is Amtrak 716 going to Bakersfield. Here it comes. 8308, known as Mount San Gordonion on this one. Alongside with 2010. I like that horn, but I don't know why people say they don't like that horn. So, anyways, we'll be right back after these commercial break. That's 716. Going to Bakersfield with 2010 tailing the back. All right, folks, 716 out of the party with 8308 leading off. I guess they don't want to wait for the bus. That train going to Bakersfield. I guess that train don't want to wait for the bus. Let's see, what can he do about the quiet zone? This used to be a horn zone. All right, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.